Weje is a new project management method specifically designed for Agile horizontal teams. In Weje, all your processes are visually organized on borderless whiteboards with multi-format information cards, lists, and connections. Since project management at Weje relies on a native perception of information, we called our approach Native Agile and developed a set of simple tips for its application. With this approach, the team can focus only on the work, act as efficiently as possible, and adapt to changes instantly. This effect was achieved through a combination of several solutions. First, space. By connecting space, we can use the innate ability of any human to perceive the position and order of objects, the relationships between them, volumes, and colors. The need for abstract entities such as priorities, statuses, and categories is largely eliminated. Thus, team explanations and misunderstandings are minimized as everyone sees the picture the same way. Second, information flow. The base object in Weje is a card that can be anything, and there are no fixed fields for specific data types. Entities are entered in any order or quantity. This approach seems a bit chaotic at first, but in fact the card is filled in as you think and is more like a dialogue than writing documentation, which in turn simplifies both input and consumption of information because the order also carries a lot of meaning. Third, information undergoes all stages of change in one place. You dictate ideas, merge, edit, and supplement them, add dates and people, turn them into events and tasks, lead discussions and presentations, store files, and share information with anyone as direct links, and all in one place, right next to your processes. The toolkit is minimal and intuitive, but it covers almost every need. In Weje, everything is done so you can understand in what state the project is and what you now need to do just by looking at the picture. Every time you go back to a project, it's easy to remember where you left off, because that's how our brain works. It's easier for us to reconstruct the thread of events by looking at the location of objects in space. You'll also see any entities that need attention and changes that have occurred since your last visit. Try it, and you'll be surprised at how much the simple ability to see the processes in a single picture deprives many of the usual techniques and methods of management. If you liked this, check out our videos, which talk about common over-organization problems and show how they're easily handled by Weje relying on native perception.